Hi guys, I'm Sharanya and welcome back to my channel. So today is a foundation review day. Today I'm going to be demoing and reviewing this Sephora's 10-hour Wear Perfection foundation. Hope you stick till the end because I also do a check-in at the end of the day to show you how my makeup lasts with this foundation. So keep watching. Also, don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up button if you did like this video, hit the notification bell for more videos from me. Alright, so let's get straight into the video. So the foundation in the title is this Sephora 10-hour Wear Perfection foundation. Hope you can see that well. This is one of my favorite foundation and this is not at all new. I think they released this 3 or 4 years ago. I have been using this for I think 2 years now. This is only available in the Sephora's website and in stores. I'm not sure if they're available in Amazon for you, but this is the shade 26.5 medium. The undertone is intense peach or like yellow undertones, I guess. This is what the packaging looks like. Glass bottle, I think it is frosted, and a plastic lid with a pump. So, and it's very easy to dispense the product wherever you want. And this retails for $20 in USA. I just checked their website. They have 61 shades of this foundation, which is a lot. I'm sure you'll find your foundation shade in this, and if you're close to my skin tone, I think this will definitely work for you. So let's see what are the claims by this Sephora company. It's a weightless foundation with buildable coverage, gives a natural finish, and this is suitable for normal, combo, and oily skins. This has a star ingredient which is hyaluronic acid. This mineral oil free, paraben free, fragrance free. The foundation lasts up to 10 hours. I'm not sure if I've worn this for 10 hours straight, but this is not tested on animals, which is always good. I don't need to prep my skin a lot, but since I do have slightly drier skin, I'm going to prep it with my serum. I have already done that. I have applied my vitamin C serum with hyaluronic acid. I'm also going to spritz my face with aloe vera witch hazel facial mist, just a little bit. After this, I'm going to, once this kind of sets down, I'm going to apply my Oh So Simple water cream by Grey Beauty. So I'm going to demo this foundation first, and then I'm going to tell you the pros and cons of this foundation that I found in 2 years. So definitely not a first impression. So I just wanted to give you a review on it because this is one of my favorite foundation for my acne prone skin. I want to do more reviews of foundation or face products which is suitable for inflammatory acne skin and also like product acne. Going to drag it down my neck as well. Any simple moisturizer would be ideal for this foundation. So I usually apply it with a brush or my fingers. So I'm going to show you how you can apply this foundation in 3 ways. I'm going to do one side of my face, I think my right side with the sponge and left side with a brush, and I think my chin and forehead with my fingers. So I'm going to show you the shade first against my skin. This is 26.5. The texture is very moussey. It's not runny at all. Very moussey and creamy to touch. So I usually take like one complete pump. Sometimes this might be a little too much. So let's see, let's apply in layers. So that's always the best way to apply any foundation. So I'm gonna apply this. So this also kind of oxidizes, as you can see, so but the color is different between the fresh application and the previous application. So yes, and the sponge that I am going to use is this Elf Cosmetics complexion sponge. I'm going to blend this now. I'm gonna apply a second layer right in the same side of my face. So this is the application with the sponge. So now I'm going to apply using a brush. This brush is Ultimate Blending Brush by Elf. Applying the second layer. I took a little bit, one more half pump of the foundation because I did use 2 layers on the side, right? So I'm going to apply one more layer to the brush side. So this is the brush side. Now I'm going to use my fingers to apply on the forehead and on my chin. I need more foundation just because I'm applying multiple layers, just to show you how this works. I'm using my fingers just as I would like spread your moisturizer and tapping it so that there are no like finger marks left. I'm gonna leave this like a minute or so without setting, and after a minute I'm gonna set it. So when I do that, I'm gonna finish my eyebrows. So I just finished my eyebrows. So now if I try to feel the skin, it is a little bit tacky to touch. So that means I have to set it. So I'm gonna use my Erin Faces Aloe Setting Powder. Because of that setting powder, the shine of the foundation has come down a little bit. It looks more natural and less dewy, but still very natural finish on the skin. I'm done with the rest of my makeup, so let's get into the pros and the cons. The first pros of this foundation is that it comes with beautiful pump, and it's very easy to dispense the product how much ever you want. You can control the amount of product that you are pouring out. And next is the natural finish. It's a very natural finish, as you can see. So after the foundation kind of has gotten the time to sit on the skin and everything, and your natural oils of the skin comes out, it looks very beautiful, like radiant, not oily at all, very radiant. And the second and the third thing is it does not cling to the dry patches. So I don't have a zoom lens, but I can come up close if you want to see. I do have a little bit of dry patches in the cheek area. It's not emphasizing at all if you're like looking at me or talking to me from this far at all. Also, this is very lightweight. I don't feel like I'm wearing a foundation at all. And also, as they say, this is a buildable coverage foundation. So I 100% agree with that. Why? Because this foundation, I can build it up to a medium coverage. This is definitely not a full coverage foundation because as you can see, I have chicken pox scars and also acne scars here and there, my mole here. So definitely it's not covering everything. Next is it's very easy to blend. Since it's like that moussey texture, it's very easy to blend. It was easy to blend with the sponge, easy to blend with the brush, easy to blend with your fingers. You can mix this with your normal moisturizer and make it like a tinted moisturizer, and it's very very flexible. That's the word I was looking for. Next, this is $20. Nowadays the foundations are like $36, $40, $45, up to $65. I have seen some foundations like $70, $80 or something. This is definitely not a drugstore level foundation. This is definitely like that medium range foundation. So for that kind of foundation, $20 is very affordable. Definitely this is like holds up for a long time. This is definitely long wear. I have not tested it to like 10 hour or something, but definitely I have tested it. I have worn this throughout the day, like maybe like 6 to 8 hours, but definitely holds up for a long time. It also depends on the powder, or what is it? It also depends on the powder that you're using to set the foundation. If you're using a powder foundation or a setting powder, which kind of gives that long wear finish, that will also help you with the longevity of the foundation. I could only think of like 2 to 3 cons of this foundation. So the first thing is, it was a little bit of a task to find my shade, even though they have like 61 shades in them. One more thing you have to keep in mind is that this will oxidize like a shade darker, as I showed you earlier. So just keep that in mind when you're choosing a foundation shade of this. And also one more thing was, when I used the sponge, it's going to give me a little bit less coverage than if I would have used my brush. So blending the foundation with the brush will give you more coverage, like it will keep the coverage because it doesn't have anything to suck the foundation in, right? But the sponge, it kind of absorbs a little bit of the makeup or the foundation into it, so you'll definitely get a little bit lesser coverage. So that's why you have to go in with the second layer. Yeah, that is my review and demo of Sephora 10 Hour Wear Perfection Foundation. I would definitely keep buying this foundation because it's oil free, works with my acne prone skin, it's easy for travel as well. I don't have any other bad thing to say about it. I'm gonna come back and check in with you again after like 6 hours maybe, to show you how my makeup or how the foundation is holding up. Hopefully I remember to film that part. Alright guys, so I wanted to do the end of the day check-in for you all to see how the Sephora 10 Hour Wear Perfection Foundation held up throughout the day. So the time I think right now is 10:15 p.m. in the night, and then I applied, or I reviewed or demoed this foundation at around 2:30 p.m. in the afternoon. So it's almost 8 hours. So let's do a close-up check-in. So I'm in my bathroom right now, so the light is not the daylight light. So this is my skin, looks like this right now. My skin looks like this right now. Maybe close up. It's a little bit oily right here, or like shiny in the cheeks, which I do not mind at all. Since I do have dry skin, this kind of gives that glow to my skin. And I'm not sure, maybe there is a little bit of shininess in the forehead. Again, it looks really nice. So again, natural finish for the foundation. So let me see in my close-up mirror. The foundation is sitting quite nicely almost everywhere, except few areas like the tip of my nose where I might have ripped off, maybe a little bit on the chin, again eating and everything. So other than that, I don't have any other complaints at this hour. Kind of rubbed off on top of this new breakout that I have going on here. I would definitely recommend this foundation to wear for any event, any special day. for sure. Hope you guys enjoyed this review of the Sephora foundation. Let me know if you have already tried it and what's your shade, and if you do like it or not. Hope you come back for my next videos. Please make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Also hit the notification bell to get notified every time I upload a video. So now I am going to wash this off, do my skincare, and then I'll be off to bed. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye. Namaste.